Hello, Lolato. Do you have some spare time?
Yes, because I already received your email, so I prepared the time for you.
Okay, thank you. And let me first say thank you for this meeting. It's a remarkable gift for you to sit down with me for this interview and learning opportunity. My name is Tong, and you have already known. And my goal as a student or young leader is to learn from you as much as I can from your real life experiences about the positive role of business in building a better world. So this interview is for a class assignment for sustainable practice and organizations BX3150 at Monash Business School, and Aim to Flourish is a student-led United Nations Global Compact supported global learning initiative to discover and celebrate untold stories about business innovations for good. Using the 17 United Nations Global Goals for Sustainable Development as a lens, business students like me are interviewing business leaders around the world. We are interested in hearing about good for the world innovations that are also good for business. Okay, so after we talk, I will write a story and submit to my lecture and aim2flourish.com. And the best of the best will be recognized by Case Western Reserve University. Okay, so to start the interview, could you please share a story about your life, a high point experience in your career?
Yes, first I say, Miss Tong, I'm very happy to receive your this interview. My English not so good, but I try to answer your question in English. Okay.
Okay.
My name is Lolata Lu.
Yeah.
I work in Emerson, China, around 20 years. And my current position is Senior Operation Director. I'm responsible for supply chain, and I also responsible to implement Oracle system in Emerson, China. I take leader to implement this program, and this program go live in the last year very successfully. And this is my very honor, very happy to finish this job.
Okay. So can you share your experience in implementing Oracle system? Um, uh,
Uh,
yeah.
yes, yes, I can share something with you. Actually, you know, the ERP system is not easy to implement
Yeah.
because this is a whole company, uh, for example, production, finance, inventory, everything in the ERP system. So this is a very big system. We spent around 3 years, start from the preparing until the go live. And we finish this program within the cost and within the target time. This is the first time for Emerson to implement Oracle uh, on schedule because you know most of the site they will delay, always delay. But in China, because we do a very good preparation, so we go live on time. So I'm very proud for this project.
Oh, you've done a great job. Okay, and to
Thank you.
continue the interview, could you please share me something you know about Emerson, like an innovation for the sustainable development?
Yes, I can share a very good project we have done. After I received your email, I also discussed with our previous HR Vice President Helena Lee because this project she's the tech leader, and I discussed with her, and get some inputs also from her. So I just share this program because this is our company program, and everybody involved in this program and get a good feedback from both the inside and outside customer. This program we call as University Marquee Program. It means we build a strategic partnership with the university in China. We started this program in 1912. We start from the first university in the
1912 or
Xi'an.
2012?
Sorry?
1912 or 2012?
Also 2012, sorry. Yes, 2012 from the Xi'an Technical University. And we signed agreement with them because as I don't know you know or not, because China, we have a program, China made 2025, because this is the China Education Committee launch a program in each university. So we do together with the university.
So how does the program look like? Just cooperate with the university, or you um, uh, provide something to them, or provide some education to them?
Yeah. Okay. This is actually is a big project. We work together with the university, and the reason, perhaps I tell the reason why we launch this program.
Yeah.
Okay, from our company, because recently, as you know, the labor cost is more and more expensive. If we hire the senior engineer from the outside, is very expensive. So we are thinking about if we can hire some fresh from the university. But some BU don't willing to do this. The reason, because they think the fresh come from the university, the BU should us training around 1 year, then they can work on job. So it means we spend a lot of time on the training. So then we think about if we can move this training to the university, then we short the lead time for the training, right?
Yeah.
And in the meantime, because China made a 2025 this program, the university also has a budget to do some transfer. They are looking for how the students, after their graduation from the university, they can find a suitable job and get on job is very quick. So they also have these requirements. Then our HR form a team. This team take lead as our HR. Then we also come from the marketing, our sales, and also our application engineer go to the university to discuss with them how about we work together to meet both requirements. So, okay, at that time, most universities, they are very happy because they also want to find a platform to how to let their students can find a job quick. And the company is like to use their, to hire their students. So then we come out this program.
Okay, so could you tell me some details about the implementation of this program? Do you just create a team of engineers and other people to to the school to teach them, or you support some devices, or create some labs to those high schools?
Yes, yes. You have a very good question. Uh, yes, we our detail. The first, we form a team, just like I said to you before. Our HR tech leader then come from the marketing, sales, and the application engineer. Then we work there at the university. The first, we establish a laboratory. We provide our equipment. Our equipment is more industry solution control system. We have provided our instrument and also the plant variable system and also the valve to build just like a laboratory in their university. And the students normally they just study the knowledge in the book, but they don't see the real life. What is the industry? How is it working? So they can go to this laboratory to see how is the system to the programming, how to do the configuration, how to do the commissioning, and how the troubleshooting. If for example, some problem happen, you know where's the problem and where is the problem come from and how to solve it. So just like 模拟, I don't know English how to say the 模拟, just like real industry, let them to know. So, and in the meantime, because sometimes the China, sometimes the university schools book, we also put their solution, our solution in their book, because most of the young teacher, they also don't know. It means they don't work in the industry or work in the company before. They don't know the real industry. So we also help them. We around give each year give 2 young teachers to go to our company to do the training on free. Give them 2 months. Then after they go back to their university, they also can put the real industry in the book, and also our products and water solution come out. Because we have the professor, engineer professor or solution professor, tell them how the system is working. So this is a help the students know more about their book, and also help them their teacher build the knowledge.
Okay, so do you donate the equipment to the school, or you just sell them for some price?
Very good question. I just like told you before, because the China Education Committee has a budget to each university. So this time they buy our equipment and total solution, and we not donation. We just serve them
So you get profit from
around the year. Yes, we get profit, very good profit, and also it depends on which how the laboratory is small or big. If the small is cost is around, I think around 600, around 1,500K. If the large laboratory around 5 million. So it depends on the laboratory is big or small. Yes.
So do you think this innovation also benefits the whole business, your whole business, because you
Yes.
see, yeah. So
Yes, it's quite help us our business. The first, I think, from our hiring lead time is quite short than before. And we also find the students in they can go on job is very quick and very easy because the students already know our brand. They are very quick on job after their graduation from the university because they know our products and know the problem solving and know the knowledge. So it's very quick because before we spend around 1 year. Right now, just 3 months. So I think we get very good benefits, and also our company brand also built in the university because before most students don't know about Emerson, but right now most of them know Emerson because we also do the how we call technical compete. If the winner, we also give them scholarship. It means the winner can get an award from our company. And also for this school, we signed the strategic partner agreement. We also support some students, their family economic is not so good. We give them education assistance around 50K per year per person. And we help them to finish their education in the university successfully.
Okay, seems like you also do more effort in provide some education and high quality education and some benefits to the society, like you donate some, you have some scholarship for poor students, and yeah. So
Yes.
to conclude, do you think you have meet some requirements of the United Nations, the 17 Sustainable Development Goals?
I think so. The first, I think we help to improve the China education system
Yeah.
because I don't know you know or not. For the China students, is more familiar to the paperwork, but they are more lack of the hands-on.
The real life experience, you mean?
I mean, they know the knowledge from the book, but
Yeah,
they don't know.
the
But
exercise.
after they go to the they don't. So we help them. We establish this bridge. Help them to improve the whole system, not only on the book, also on the exactly life.
Yeah.
Yes, and we also, I think we give the students, their family is not so good. We also give them the education assistance, also give the scholarship. So help whole China education standard, improve the standard.
Okay. So seems like a very good innovation for Amazon to meet the sustainable aim. I think it will be a good story for me to write on the aim2flourish.com. Yeah. So thank you, Lalato, for your um, precious time, and yeah, we could.
Yeah, okay. I'm also very glad to receive you this interview because today the time is not so enough. So
Yeah.
in the future, if you have any question, uh, oh, sorry, I tell you another good thing.
Okay.
Last week, we receive a reward from the China Education Committee,
Yes.
and only 8 companies get this reward. And our Emerson is one of these 8 companies get this reward. This is a national reward.
Oh,
Actually, it's a very
precious.
very good reward. Yes. So I think our company do a lot. In the future, if you have any later on, I will send my some picture or PPT to you for reference. And if you have any question, you also can write email to me, and I will just try to answer and help you finish your assignment in the good quality and share the good story to you.
Okay, thank you, Lolato. See you next time.
Okay, you're always welcome. See you, Tong.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.